Hey, what's up, my nocturnal companions? It's the clearest night here, as clear as day, and welcome back to another episode of Battle Cats. I had to get y'all with the deep voice. Bad guys, but alright, we're gonna get into here, but I got some good news. Ooh, look, we got a zombie outbreak on the first, but you know how we'll get Bahamut Cat for clearing Empire of Cats? And I told you, Empire Cat Chapter 3, and I told you, I'm not going to show you the whole process, but I will show you us taking on the moon. Now, I need to change my loadout, because there's a few cats that are going to really help. Which cats are those? What do? You freeze floating, so you're going to help. Put you in instead of apple eye face cat. Oh, this Paris cat I have. Well, this okay. Let me read it. Also, let me read what I just put in my. Dang, I'm supposed to be reading these. Turns out it was the supernatural that was controlling this. Wait. He was first shaman cat, able to communicate with the supernatural. ... is what it says on the wiki. Turns out it was the supernatural that was controlling this cat in the end. Might freeze floating enemies. So he might freeze floating enemies. You might be like, why are we getting so many anti-floatings? Well, if you haven't put it together already, we're gonna go up and get the floating enemy, so yes, I have seen this stage. That's why I've leveled up Angry Delinquent Cat, because he also has a chance to freeze floating. Who should I put him? Pirate Cat. Bodhisattva. Might slow. We don't need slow. Massive damage. And we'll put you in for you. Because our Paris Cat should be able to take out any of the red units that come by. Paris Cat and Mythical Titan. And as you see, we have some red units coming by. So let's put out some meat shields and let's start saving up. Just some more meat shields. Shaman Cat's not that leveled up, so I consider him a meat shield right now. I mean, Ganglion might not help, but I mean, he's a leveled up Uber, so so he actually might. Watch Paris do work. Watch Paris do work here, because Paris is really good for some reason. No reason at all. Paris is just a good cat. Like, not only does she have a quick recharge time. Put out Angry Delinquent. We're just gonna spam now. We got it up enough. I'm definitely gonna get all the superior treasures, but I mean, like, we can do that after we're done with the moon. And then we're going to do more of Into the Future. Oh god, I forgot we might get beat by those angel hippos. You didn't see it in the last episode because the recording glitched out and everything like that. But we beat one stage and then got beat in another stage by angel hippos. But I got my cat sword leveled up, so we should be kind of good. And if you're watching my videos now, I am looking for a professional editor. Not to edit my videos, because I don't have money to pay you, to teach me how to edit videos. Because if you teach me, then, I mean, it'll be perfect. I can edit my own videos and, you know, everything will be alright and, you know, my videos won't be as long. Be perfect. That's why we needed anti-floating. Now it's time to put out more cats because What am I doing not putting out cats? I guess I can't talk and multitask. Yes, I can. See, this is what the game calls a bun bun. And bun buns are powerful. So glad we have Necromancer and Angry Delinquent to just freeze all these enemies. It's so nice. Just freezing enemies. Not giving a care in the world. See, most YouTubers really don't struggle that much around this time. I was going to say, yeah, most YouTubers struggle around this time. Battle Cats YouTubers, actually. But not really. Because, I mean, like, most YouTubers by this time will be like, hey, we defeated Into the Future. We already have Bahamut Cat, and we're going to the... and yada, yada, yada. So you don't even see... So sometimes you don't see if they struggle with it or not. Jeez, it is taking longer to beat this bun bun than I thought. And Lucifer's dead. Well, we have another Lucifer lying in wait, so... And Ganglion wasn't going to be much help either way. Oh. I thought we were going to have to take on Bun Bun a little bit more. Nah. So, I just gotta let it play out. So, while we're waiting here, guys, how's your day been? My day's been pretty good. Pretty good. Met some new people. It's always good when you meet new people. Because, I mean, like, think about it. People tell you, it's some common rules to say don't talk to strangers. But, you know, as the argument always goes, if you don't talk to strangers, how you gonna make friends? Just don't talk to creepy strangers. Don't talk to strangers that start a conversation out with, hey, kid. I mean, I can't really say that because, you know, some bullies, I mean, not really. No bullies are going to go, hey, kid. Unless you're like a Disney bully. But I don't know about you guys, but I don't like singing a lot. But I mean, like if it's an adult that just says, hey, kid, or something like that, yeah, don't talk to them at all. If you're a kid. Now, if you're not a kid and an adult says, hey, kid to you, then that's just disrespect. That's disrespect on your name right there. That's something you should really work out, because how are you that short for them to think of you as a kid? Don't understand. But hey, we're getting a new thing. Let's see if it's the same. After all the battles, this world was overrun by the Battle Cats. A government of the cats, by the cats, for the cats, in this new world, yada, yada, yada. Okay, it's the same. Ooh, something is stuck to my phone. Cat fruit storage unlocked. All clear bonus, and we got Bahamut Cat. Okay, let's get into this. Something on my phone, guys. Wonder what it is. We're gonna say that zombie outbreak for last. You know we always do. I mean, who would I be if I put the zombie outbreak first? Not me. Empress Reach missions have been added to the main mission select. Now look at that. We got 100 cat food just for completing it. We are beautiful. New cat, Bahamut Cat. An ancient cat weapon that was rumored to have caused the first apocalypse has unearthly offensive power, area attack. It is going to be a hassle leveling him up. But we are definitely, first we got to check him out. Wait, it's in special cats. Special one. Bahamut cat unlocked. Now why don't you look at him? Wait, how do you... Oh, you just do this. Now look at this guy. Let's go to Ubers. We'll filter. We're only going to do special and Ubers. Okay. Bahamut. Which one should we compare it to? Bahamut's not leveled up, so we should just compare it to this form. Ganglion, Bahamut. I say Bahamut. He's more high quality. Because if you look at Ganglion, the only thing that's really that high quality is his head, his chest piece, and his 2 arms. And the claws on the tip of his feet, and his tail just a little bit. Everything else is a little bit blurred out too much. Didn't mean to deep dive into a whole lesson about Bahamut cat. My bad. And my bad, my brain. Okay, and now where's the cat that we all love? Rover cat. What? Oh yeah, I actually clicked that. You see, we have some more cat combos. So look, mini cyclone. Oh yeah, that's because we got for like y'all saw in the last episode, we got mini sexy legs cat. So yeah, we're doing things and going places. Never mind. Rare cats? Yeah, they should be. Okay, right here. What should we take out? What should we take out? I was just gloating about how Paris is really good because it's so spammable and stackable. And Paris is really good. So getting rid of Paris makes no sense. She doesn't like the exact same damage as Bahamut, even though she's not level 20. But once she gets to level 20, she will be doing more damage than not Bahamut, Mythical Titan. Mythical Titan cat, my bad. This is why I need to learn how to edit, because I can edit out the thinking process. Kind of difficult. I forgot to read about Totem Cat, but he knocks back angelic enemies, and he's the only anti-angel I technically have, so without him, this might not be possible. But this still might not be possible with him. There's a might chance, right? Still might not be possible with him. Now, okay, Mike, don't run away from me. Now, see, that's where you're wrong. You shouldn't be doing things like this. Are we just going to have to do story selections again? Why is this? Why do you hate me so much? I need something that's really strong against angels. I need something to deal with angels. I don't remember it being like, I don't remember stories like, I don't remember Into the Future being this difficult. Yeah. Hey, we're knocking one back. Is it a single attack? Yep, it's a single attack. That's why. Yeah, God. One back at a time. Guys, recording cut out, but still, okay. And the hippos killed my base. Hey, at least you didn't have to see me cry. What are you talking about? I am crying. You're crying. I'm a big, strong, buff man. So, time enough for cats is not for us. So, guess what we're gonna do? Servants of Darkness. It's 5-star difficulty. 4 total stages. How much is each stage? 100 a pop. I don't have stuff for Aku just at the moment. Wait, does that mean... Okay, I got cat fruit storage unlocked. Right, yeah. Wait, let's go to storage. I'm using my temple. Have no cat fruit. But still. That means one thing. Uber. Yes, I have access to evolving these nerds. Nerds? Really? Miss Moneko got a true form? With a golden cat fruit? Okay, no. That's a definite no. Someone like Matt Shea would probably like evolve her, but not me. I wouldn't. Nah. Definitely not. Even though Miss Mineko's a good cat, you know, definitely not. Oh yeah, and I gotta put face cat back in. Oh yeah, I was going to bring Kotatsu cat. So Bun Bun's actual like the Bun Bun's actual attack was weakened. You see how many stages are going to be in here? This is going to be difficult. Just a dog and a snake. One second. Alright. My bad, guys. Has to take care of something. Hopefully this recording doesn't crash just because I paused once. That would be insane. But, you know, taking out this base nice and snazzy like, as we always do. And let's just watch the victory roll in. Okay, 2 anteaters. Okay, yeah, wait a minute. That's not victory right there. That's something else. That's pain. It's pain. It's pain. So much of it. So much pain. You know that meme. You know, you understand the meme if you understand it. You know, should I replace... Is my lineup good? 4 powerful cats at the bottom. All the rest of the semi-powerful cats at the top. Disregarding the meat shields. You know, cannon fodder. I mean, they're powerful in their own right. Bahamut's not going to be too powerful right now. He will be powerful once we get him up all the way. Right, but as of right now, Bahamut cat might be one of my weaker cats. Besides from weaker special cats. Besides Bean Cat. I don't even know why Bean Cat is why you get Bean Cat for clearing Greenland. I mean, yeah, you could say, hey, Bean Cat is good and all, yada. But I mean, like, the ability to knock back is not as good as tough or freezing or weakening to me. Because it's like, not only does knocking back prevent some things from hitting others. It also it's also just like it's not damage dealing. I mean, technically you're dealing some kind of damage, but you're just dealing your normal amount of damage. You're not dealing extra damage. I would get it if they were dealing extra damage, but they're not. That's my problem I have with knocking back enemies. And that's not me saying, hey, get rid of them, because I mean, there's some enemies that you're going to have to want to knock back. My argument is, knockback units. I mean, sometimes, majority of the time, they're somewhat irrelevant. Now, slow units, I understand that, because sometimes all you can do is slow down a unit. Or sometimes you don't have a unit stopper, and hey, slowing down a unit is the best thing you can do. And sometimes slowing down a unit is actually good, because I mean, like, there's cyclones in this game that attack uber fast. Like, faster than most things in this game. They attack faster than most things in this game. And even and slowing them down, sometimes it stops them from attacking. They won't attack as fast, So yeah. I just had to go on a little rant, a little bit of a tangent. My bad. Also, I've been really forgetting to mention, and it's my bad, guys. Also, your bad. Y'all forgot to help me. But I'm not gonna place any blame on y'all, because I mean, it's going to be my bad, because I'm supposed to remember. We're gonna level up Bean Cat. You're gonna hear some noises in my background, guys, but don't worry about those. It is 11. Jeez. But I've been forgetting to mention, the first person to leave a comment on this video will get free the Clearest Night merch. Just put a comment down below saying, hey. Put a comment down below saying, where's my merch? And I will message you and somehow get merch sent out, get Clearest Night merch sent out to you. We have somebody making merch for us, so yeah. Don't ask how I had the funding for merch, but not the funding for come on, finish your sentence. Finish your sentence. But not the funding for an actual editor. I don't know. It's something. Because it's like, I've always gotten told by I've been told by my stepdad or by my family, if you get an editor, then you're going to have to pay that editor money as well. So it's better to edit on your own and stuff like that. But at this point, in how many months of just making videos, getting an editor, to me, and actually paying, sounds so good right now. Because I mean, it also sounds good me learning how to edit, but getting an editor right now sounds like heavenly. I'm putting out Bahamut Cat a lot because he is such a good cat, but getting an editor sounds like God's work. Because I wish I had an editor right now to edit my videos. Yeesh. When I get one of those, you already know these videos are going to be snazzy and way better. We're leveling up Bean Cat. We're seeing what Bean Cat becomes. Bean Cat takes a lot to level up. What's our next level? Like 800? Yeah, you'll get 1 rare ticket. Okay. And probably 1 leadership as well. One sec, guys. I gotta check something. Yeah, okay. We have a few minutes left. My bad. I had to check that. Woo! Alright. Chaos Lagoon. Ooh, creepy. Not that creepy. I mean, it's just a lagoon of chaos. Whew. We're obviously not gonna beat this stage in a day. In just 1 video now. But I mean, we will. We will. Got a base with horns like all the rest of them had. Just this one doesn't have spikes. So, I mean, hitting the base won't be as hard this time. Something tells me there might be a boss. And that rushing so early was a bad idea. Knew it. And we got a metal unit. Oh, God. See. With all these rest of the units, I'm fine with them. Bahamut can come out, take care of them. We'll be A-okay. We'll be peachy. With the metal? Bahamut come out, you got to take care of some units. See what I meant? That big red pig got just knocked back just like that by Valkyrie. See, I'm not worried about anything else but the metal unit. Saying that this is gonna somehow come back to bite me in the butt. See, look, all my Ubers are out now. And Bahamut's charging up. Now, why don't you look at that? I can level up to level 6 now. And then spamming catch is going to be so easy. No, I should look at that. Okay. I gotta keep Miss Moneko in my party. So what should I take out? What seems best to take out? Bahamut? No, because Bahamut's been doing like good work, and Valkyrie's a good strong cat to get out early. If we get another one like this, we're screwed. Jeez, I have no idea what to do. 63 Bahamut or Bean? Bahamut. I'm sorry, guys, but Bahamut does a lot of damage, and leveling up makes him do more damage, so. Bahamut all the way. Dun, da, da, da. Wait, that's not. I think that's how the Battle Cats music goes. Like. These levels are getting harder and harder. I actually have to start thinking about strategy. But you guys know me. I place out a whole bunch of units, and then place out my Ubers, and then, you know, things happen and I win. Oh God, Paris Cat is way more. Ah God, my lineup is off. But I mean, who cares about that now? Playing pirates. Okay, we had the face cat out there. You know, it's kind of disturbing how the face is kind of connected, but yet it's like Apple Cat is pulling it apart. I'm gonna call him Apple Cat because like the face, because he's called Face Cat now, but still the face is connected, but like it's not at the same time. Jesus, that is a lot of one horns. That is a lot. I'm getting Bahamut out here, and I'm getting a Kanin out here. Jesus Christ, I never thought I'd see this many rhinos before. Not even at the zoo. Oh, wait, no. Never mind. I thought I was in trouble. I thought I was in trouble. 11:08. I thought it was going to be difficult. Should we finish this before the video's over? I mean, how many levels do we have? A total of 8 levels, and we've done a total of 8 levels in here, and we've done 6. So this is a 6th level. We have 7, 8 right behind us. So yeah, we should be able to get these stuff done in a certain good amount of time. As long as we don't run into any difficulties, then yeah. I use big words. I'm smart. Smart in the brain. Smart in the his owl. I won't ever do that again. Sorry. But yeah. We're defeating the base. There's a bald eagle with spikes. You know, it kind of makes sense that the bird is on the opposite side of us. It kind of makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Am I trying to convince myself it makes sense? No. It makes sense. It definitely makes sense. Yes, because we're a cat army. We don't use birds. We use cats that are birds. See, birds are off the table. We use cats that are birds. Like Bird Cat. Ooh, haven't really used Bird Cat. I mean, I've used him for a little bit, and I thought he was good. And I mean, Bird Cat's still good. It's just not as good as he can be. As he could be. Let's see if you understand what I'm saying. If you get it, you get it. I mean, like it's like all cats in this game is special, but I mean, like some don't live up to their full potential like they could be. Like it's like some battle cats made Ponos like Gohan. Like, they get to shine every once in a while. And then they go turn around, and then just like, well, I mean, this cat had a good run, but I mean, hey. That's what Ponos is doing. Because it's like, well, this cat did good. But I mean, hey, it's like probably like the new Aku units. It's like, okay, we have this cat to defeat Aku units. Okay, now we're going to turn around and have this cat do the exact same thing, but better. It's like when you do that, it's like some of these are not living up to their full potential, you know? And I'm not saying have this one unit be like massively like yada, but like have some units be unique. I know you have all units being unique. I mean, I literally have 2 dragons, the god of the underworld Lucifer, and a Valkyrie on my team, with a cat that hides inside of a face, a cat that won a Paris marathon, an R2-D2 cat, a cat that wants to cool down at a fan, and a cat with muscles, and a wall. Just a wall. I feel like Wallcat's the most terrifying thing about this whole entire thing, you know? You know, those 2 pebbles had it coming. I mean, you ever see what those 2 pebbles did to Wallcat? They insulted his mother. Yeah. Wallcat wasn't having that. Wallcat wasn't pleased at all. So what did Wildcat do? He moved those 2 pebbles. I think it says Wildcat can move 2 pebbles. Or like 1, maybe 1 pebble. Maybe it's 1 pebble. 2, maybe. Alright. I had to do something real quick. Okay. Swimming cats. This is the final stage. We should get a leadership from this. And you know what we're going to end this off with? Dang it. We don't need help. Actually, we do need help from the music. And do this. See if I can edit that out. Hopefully you guys didn't hear me. We can defeat this sloth. I mean, this sloth is going to be cake. Like a cakewalk. Saying that the sloth is not going to be like a cakewalk. Disregard the little I hate sloths. As much as I hate moths, I hate these sloths. Because I've seen these people take on these sloths and they are very difficult. Like there's nothing else being put out right now but the sloths. But this sloth. Like I can save up. Cause I can just save up. Doing nothing but saving up. I can put out Valkyrie right now. I could put out Bahamut, but he would probably get to the sloth by the time the sloth attacks. That's something we don't need. We need someone to get in there and do heavy damage. And wow, 2 black dogs kill my Valkyrie. Okay. Now this is not going to plan. But I mean, hey, we're still taking out this sloth, and now there's a doge coming out. Well, not a doge, a dog. A dog. Okay, I feel like Battle Cats is against me right now. But you know what? You know what we do when Battle Cats feels like it's against us? Something. We do something. But, I mean, I know we can't just do absolutely nothing. Okay, finally got content. Okay, that's good. Ganglion, get out there. And you show them what you're about. You show them that you mean business. You show them that no one messes with your cat squad. The sloth looked like it barely took damage. Now, why don't you look at that? That sloth is dead now because I did something with him. Now, he is no longer left to freely terrorize the world. And guess what we're going to get from this? Leadership. Now, all we got to do is sit back and wait. So, question of the day. What's your opinion about sloths? In my opinion, an actual sloth, I love an actual sloth. Cute, soft, cuddly. Battle Cats, I hate sloths. I hate them all. But it seems like chapter 1 doesn't have the thing anymore. So this is where we're going to end the video here, guys. Like I said, if like I said, the first person to comment on this video, where's my merch, will get free the clear. Will get a free the Clear Snipe shirt. Jacket's still coming out, but yes, we'll get a free the Clear Snipe shirt. We will message you and find some way to send you one. But alright guys, catch you in another video.